Now 4, gotta be 4. At 4,000, at 4, $4,000. Gotta be 4. At 4,000. Hey, she's prettier than that, guys. 39. Now 4, 4,000. At 4,000, at 4, at 4,000. At 4,000, at 4. That's real money. Now 4, now 42.50. At 42 and a half at 42.50. At 42 and a half at 42.50.
43.50.
Oh, what?
I think it's very fast today.
But they're old numbers?
No, because I was trying to get to 43.50
Oh.
and then they...
Okay, 4,500 at 45.5 at 5 at 4,500 at 45.5. I think we're selling cows, right, Travis?
Almost.
At 4,500 at 45.5 at 5 4,500 got 43.50. Gotta be 45 at 4,500 at 45.5 at 5 at 4,500. Sold it 43.50. Like cat.
These ones have a white interior.
Okay, next up is another one, 14T. This is an 80 Pontiac Turbo Pace Car Trans Am. Got PHS, got a title.
82.50.
Okay, that's better. Now 8,500 at 85.5 at 5. Now 9 at 9,000. Now 9,500. Now 10 at 10,000 at 10 Now 5. Now 11,000 at 11 at 11. Got 10.5, got to be 11. Now 5, 11 and a half. Now 12 at 12,000 at 12. Over here, took it here, got to be 12.5 at 12 and a half. Now 13 at 13,000. Now 13.5 at 13 and a half. Now 14,000 at 14 at 14,000 at 14 at 14,000 with Justin. Got to be 14. Now 5, 14 and a half. 15,000 at 15 at 15,000 at 15 at 15. Now 5, 15 and a half. 16,000. Now 65, 17,000. Got to be 17. Now 75, 18,000 at 18. Now 19. Now 20 at 20. Now 1 at 21. Now 2, 22 at 22. Now 3, 23. Now 4, 24, 5, 25,000 at 25.5 at 5, 25,000. 25,000. Sold it. $24,000. Number 9137.
Both got this awesome interior in it.
And it's story time, Justin. My brother's here. This is my brother in the back there, and he runs and operates and owns Nordstrom's Auto Recycling by Garrettson, South Dakota. So if you need parts for your late model cars and anything pretty much, except the old stuff, call them guys. But he restored one of these cars in high school with an ex-husband of mine. Anyway, my husband says he's old number 2. Anyway, he was going to Sioux Falls for a quick lunch in high school, and a hired patrolman clocked him at 120.
Story's gotten bigger with age.
Okay, going down the off-ramp on the 90 to get a cheeseburger with his, so just like this. Well, anyway, the officer was a buddy of my dad's, and by the time he got up to the window, he goes, "Mr. Nordstrom, what are we doing?" He goes, "Going to get lunch," and he never got a ticket. But he called our dad. That was worse.
Travis, how does that work? Yeah, not very good.
Yeah, Travis didn't get off that easy yesterday. All right, this is a 15T. It's got a title, PHS. It's an 81 Pontiac NASCAR Trans Am, Recaro interior. They made less than 2,000 of them. And there's 2 of them here. 24, now 5, at 25,000, at 25.5, money on, gotta be 5, at 25,000, at 25.5, at 5, at 25,000, at 25.5, at 24.5, at 24 and a half, at 24.5, at 24.5, at 24 and a half, at 24.5, 24.5, sold it, $24,000 number.
9361, North Carolina.
Boy, this one's really clean.
14, gotta be 14, 14,000.
Yes, yes.
Okay, and took it over here, gotta be 15, 16, 16, 17,000. That's 18, 19, that's 19,000. That's 19, that's 19,000.
Yes.
Now 20 at 20,000. That's 20, 20, 20, now 21. That's 21, 1, 1, at 1, that's 21,000. That's 21, 1, 1, at 1, that's 21,000. That's 25, at 20 and a half. At 20,500. At 20 and a half at 20,500, guys. At 20 and a half at a half. Now took it here, now 21. At 21,000. At 21, 1, 1, at 1, got me 21, Caitlin. At 21,000. At 21, 1, 1, now half, 21,5. At 21 and a half at 21,5. At 21 and a half at 21,5. 21,5. 21,5. Sold it, $21,000.
19.
76. Got some rust on her though. Ooh, got some Bondo. Whole quarter panel was fixed once before, so there's probably a lot of hidden rust you don't even see.
65, 75, 8.
8,500 at 85.5, 99 at 9,000 at 9,000 at 999. I took 85 right here.
Oh,
Correct. Gotta be 9 at 9,000 at 999 at 9, 9,000 at 9,000 at 999 at 9. I'm on the floor. Gotta be 9. Now 95 at 9,500 at 95.5 at 5 at 90. You want a bid? 95. Now 10 at 10,000 at 10,000 at 10 at 10 at 10, 10,000. 10.5, 10 and a half, 10.5, at 10 and a half at 10.5, at 10 and a half at 10.5, 10.5, you sure? 10.5, 11,000, 11,000, at 11, at 11, now 11,000, now 11.5, 11 and a half, 11.5, at 11,500, at 11 and a half at 11.5, sell it, $11,000.
9134, going to New York.
9134 going to New York.
So far, at least 7 of these.
The title PHS, it's 80 Pontiac Trans Am.
3,500.
And at 4, at 4,000, at 4, at 4,000. Money's on, guys, you gotta be 4. At 4,000, at 4, at 4. At 4,000, at 4,000, at 4, at 4,000, at 4, 4,000. Sold it, 3,500.
9084, going to Canada.
9084, going to Canada.
81. Yeah, since 2001. Looks like when he was making notes on his collection here.
81 Trans Am.
2,000.
Now 2,500, at 25.5 at 5, at 2,500, at 25.5 at 5, at 25, at 2,500, at 25.5 at 5, at 25. Now 27.50, at 27 and a half at 27.50, at 27 and a half at 27.50, 27.50, sold it, 2,500, number 9274. Now 9 at 9,000, at 9,000, at 999 at 9. Now 9,500, at 95.5. Now 10, at 10, now 10.5, at 10 and a half, at 10.5, at 10 and a half, now 11, 11,000, at 11,000, at 11, at 11, at 11,000, score speed, at $11,000. And now half, 11.5, 11 and a half, 11.5, and 11 and a half, at 11.5. Now 12, at 12, now 5, at 12 and a half, at 12.5. This car was yellow. Now 13, at 13,000, at 13, at 13,000. Now 5, at 13 and a half, 13.5. Now 14,000, at 14, at 14,000, at 14 and a half, at 14,000. 14,000. You want back in? Sold it, 13.5.
9311, Iowa.
9315, staying in Iowa.
It's pretty rough here.
next up is 121T. It's an 81 Pontiac Trans Am, got a title, and no motor.
1,000.
Now 1,500. At 15, at 1,500. At $1,500, got 1,000. Gotta be 15. At 15, at 15, at 12 and a half.
Yes.
And now 17 at 1,500. At 15, at 1,500. Now 1750. At 17 and a half and a half. At 1750.
Yes.
Now 2 at 2,000.
Yes.
Now 2250. At 22 and a half and a half. At 2250. Now 2,500.
Yes.
At 25, 2750. At 27 and a half and a half. At 2750. At 27 and a half and a half. At 2750. Sold it. 2,500's got your way.
57.
Number 57. At 2,000, at 222, at 2,000, at 1750, at 17 and a half and a half, at 1750, at 17 and a half and a half, 1750.
Yes.
Now 2,000, at 2,000, took Justin, at 17, at 2, now 2,000, gotta be 2. At 2,000, at 222, at 2.
Yes.
2, now 2250, at 22 and a half and a half, at 2250, now 5, at 2,500, at 25.5, at 2,500, at 25.5, at 5, at 2,500. Sold it. 2250. Kevin, what's your number? 238. Kevin is a farmer and an Elvis impersonator. That's true.
73.
T 73 Pontiac Firebird PHS got a title.
45.
5,000. Got 4,500. Now,
Yes.
now 5,500. At 5,500,
Yes.
at 5. At 6. At 6,000. At 6,000. At 6. At 6. At 6. At 6. Got 55. Now 6. At 6,000. At 6. At 6.
Yes.
At 6. Now 6,500. At 65.5. At 5.
Yes.
65, 7,000, at 7,000, got 65, gotta be 7, at 7,000, at 7, 7, 7, at 7,
Yes.
7, now 7,500, at 75.5, at 5, at 7,500, at 75.5, at 75,
Yes.
now 8,000,
Yes.
now 8,500, at 85.5, at 5, at 8,500, at 85.5, now 9, at 9,000, at 9,000, at 999, at 9, at $9,000.
Yes.
Now 9,500 at 95.5 at 5. 9,500 at 95.5 at 5 at 95. 9,500. Save it. $9,000.
9013, South Dakota.
9013 South Dakota.
Yep.
$24T got a title. 80 Trans Am. No motor, no trans.
I got 500.
7.5, 750, 750,
1,000.
1,000, 12 and a half.
Yes.
Now 1,500 at $1,500. At 15, at 1,500. At 1,500, at 15, at 15.
Yes.
Now 1750. At 17 and a half and a half. At 1750. At 17 and a half and a half. At 1750. 1750. Sold it. 1,500.
9353, Michigan.
9353, Michigan.